simple scenario. I hope at least some of us have traveled to Saudi through land, right? So from Qatar to reach Saudi, we need to process. Yes, madam, you.
Yes, sir. Recording. Sources.
Not tomato sauce, huh?
Mix source.
Source document.
This the document.
Yeah, source document. This is the very first point. But you all, whatever the way you answered is correct.
Identify the transaction.
Yes. So here, what are the examples of those documents? Can you give me? There are numerous different type of examples. Starting with invoice. When the customer comes, buy something, we issue invoice.
Receipt.
Receipt. When the customer pays, we issue.
Think from the where you start your work. For you invoice. What is it for source document for you?
Yeah.
What is the source document for you from your side?
We invoice and receipt.
Yes. Put yourself. Put yourself.
Salary. What is the document you receive?
Payslip.
No. Attendance. Think from your angle. What is the source document for you? What is the source document? Contracts. He is doing receivables, so it's contracts. So from your angle, you think that's what you
Yes,
do.
exactly. Put yourself into own situation and then come up with examples. And as I told you, it is not a theory discussion. It's not a classroom session. It's more of your practical. We need to relate all this discussion to your work. So, purchase order, receipts, invoice, payment voucher, no one told me. Debit note, credit note. Can someone tell me what is this debit note?
Debit is purchase return.
One is receivable. One is A. It's the same transaction. Okay? This is A. B. This is B. A. Now what happens? A returning goods to B. Now B returning goods to A. B already purchased something from A. For that, double entry is gone, finished. Now B is not happy with some of the items he purchased. So he is returning. So when he is returning, see when he purchased, so the balance will be here. When he purchased, it will be shown as a payable. It's on the credit side. Now he is returning goods back to the supplier. So to say that, my friend, look, I'm sending this and I'm deducting this much money from your due. So that is what we call it debit note. In the when customer returning goods to supplier and informing the supplier about it. On the other hand, what is credit note? When the supplier offering him some benefits like discount or acknowledging the return, he said yes, okay, I am accepting this. Then he will issue credit note. That will be it. Understand? So there are two different documents. So that also here. Debit note, credit note, and also we have GRV. Goods received, sometimes we call it GRN, GRV. Goods received note, goods received voucher. And then we also have delivery note. Delivery note. Sometimes people call it dispatch note. Okay? So these all, now when our times, There is no computer. No computer, no system, no software. Everything manual. So when we are in the class, our teacher used to say, in your workplace, please steal these documents. Put it in your study material so that you can study it. Because we don't know all of these are what. And I hope every one of us will come across this. Or you want me to show the images? I hope no need, right? Everyone know what invoice, what, all of this. If not, please go through. Here, in between, I would like to share something. This is for your reading purpose. If you are interested to study accounting in a better way, there is a book called Business Accounting by so once the source documents and all come in, piled up in that filing shelf, it sits there. So then it comes to the accountant's table. The accountant is sketching the head like my head, you know. Then he started pondering paper by paper, paper by paper, paper by paper. He evaluates, analyze the transaction. He analyzes the transaction issues. Single transaction will be get analyzed. And then he will move on to the next level, the very first entry point. Now, first question I ask you, what is the very first accounting starts? Now, this like a child is born, then child need to get registered. This is born now. Now the name needed to be registered. First baby boy or baby girl, and the name Rosemary Angel or John Henry or William, something like this. So this getting registered is the next level. That's when journalize the original entries. Now, how many types of, I'm a bit limited with this board. Shall I turn to this side? شوفي المشكلة ما عندي مشكلة. Has nothing to do with double entry.
Yes.
Payment book has nothing to do with double entry. Okay? This is just a memorandum record. Now, actually, this discussion in this modern world is not that much fruitful. Why? When we open the software, when we enter the original entry, everything software manages. Concept is there, but we are not manually doing anything. The invoice, the prime entry book, double entry, then the trial balance, then the P&L, then the balance sheet, we don't do anything. But as an accountant, everyone needs to have the knowledge of this. That's what I am discussing here. So, here, please remember, no double entry. Okay? Now, so prime entry book or books of original entry, there are one sales playbook. Sales playbook records what?
Day-to-day sales.
Day-to-day sales. Can you codify this a little more? Day-to-day sales. When you say sales, okay, I can club the sales like this. I can club cash sales, card sales, credit cards, yeah. Card sales is credit cards, debit cards are all coming, and credit sales. When I say cash, check sales, also there. Now when you say, now are we recording all these three here?
Yes.
Please remember, sales playbook is only to record the. See, it's like I told you, it's like a memorandum record. Mr. Henry comes this morning and he pays $100 and buys some water bottles and goes. Do I need to maintain his name in my record? He paid $100 and I received the money. He took the water bottles and went. So what is the purpose of keeping his name in my mind? Already 200 lines in my mind already. Then I have to keep him? No need. But Mr. John comes and buys $100, but he doesn't pay me. Then
Credit suppliers.
credit customer.
Customer.
Then I need to remember it. How to remember? According sales, we say that for the credit sales, we maintain a sales table to record all the credit sales. So I will also have something called purchase table. So what do you think? Sales table is to record all the credit sales.
Yeah.
So the purchase table to
Debit.
what do you think? For the credit sales in sales table, what will I record in the purchase table?
Cash.
Do we need to? We don't need to worry about receivable. And then that we have separately in the cash book, we have that to manage that. So rule is that you will only record the credit sales in the sales table. So here, see, it's the other side of the coin now. If this is for sales, same thing for purchases. So sales, credit, purchases. I'm waiting for that. Credit purchase. So we will record the credit,
Suppliers.
credit purchase. So credit purchase day book, we record all the credit purchases of the day, of the week, of the period, of the month. Okay, so to the third one, sales return day book. Any returns from the credit sales, we will record it here. Fourth one, purchase return. Then fifth one, you have cash book. That then comes into all your cash sales and cash purchases and all other cash transactions, salaries, expenses, or whatever. And last, journal entry, general journal. With this, I will stop for the day and we will continue in our next session, inshallah. I hope it is very interesting and I will try to make it more interesting. If not, let's arrange some dancing session. Otherwise,